Was he just by himself when you picked him up?
He came over and he sniffed my foot, so
He ran at you?
So I started petting him, and then he let me pick him up, and I probably kind of freaked him out.
Hi, little guy.
Because I picked him up. Oh no, he's coming at me. Oh, he's got my foot. Oh, I just walked past.
Please, come here.
He's chasing you. He's gonna get you.
Oh, he got stuck in the glass.
He's so adorable.
There, oh, quick. These fishes.
You know, I've always thought skunks were like a terrible kind of... Is that him missing his family? His family is over there.
Hi, mister.
Hey, little guy. Oh, hi. Oh, okay. Hi.
Oh, hello.
Let's go see where mommy and daddy are. See? Go, walk away. Just walk him towards his family. Oh, nope, he's getting me now. Okay, I'm gonna see. See him! He's gonna get me!
He's so cute.
There's his family right there.
They're skunk piling.
I can't even feel comfortable about walking home because I don't want him to follow me. I don't want him to get separated.
I don't want to leave.
We should probably try to get him back to the bunch.
Okay. You do that and I'll record it.
Okay. I might get sprayed.
Dude!
Hey, buddy. I've got you, okay? I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna put you over here with your brothers and sisters.
He just ran right in.